Thanks for viewing Machinery Video. This is a 1960 Webster Bennett Series DH, and it's a survivor. This machine happens to be for sale. However, if you're looking for spares or parts for your Webster Bennett, we are in the business of keeping these machines running for years. We're experts in the industry for Webster Bennett Machines, and we would love to help you keep your machine running and making parts for years to come. Please contact us, and we would be glad to service you in any way possible concerning Webster Bennett parts, accessories, and service.